everyone. This is just a short video to let you know that classes are starting again on a week from today, March 30th. So just to let you know the dates, everything in the classroom will be changed before March 30th. I expect middle to late this week. You can find that on the classroom, but we don't start officially. Nothing will be due until after March 30th. So keep that in mind. A couple of things I have for you is I'm going to be using Remind text message service, and what that allows me to do is to quickly send text messages to everyone so you get any updates right away on your text message on your phone. So go into D2L, look in the activity feed, you'll find the link, and it'll take you from there. And I do see that a lot of students have already found that. That's great. Another thing I would like to tell you is to make sure you've downloaded the Pulse app, the Brightspace Pulse app. Just go into your if you haven't already done so, go into your phone's app store. You'll find Brightspace Pulse app on there, and then you can load it, and then when you enter it, all of your classes will show up on the Pulse app. Just gives you an easy way to access the course room at any time from anywhere. Another app you might want to look into is the Zoom app, ZOOM. That's a video conferencing software that we'll be using for the rest of the semester. So you can load that onto your smartphone, you can load it onto your laptop, and onto your computer for easy access. I'll also be having another Zoom meeting here, optional of course. It's like an open house type thing. You can try out Zoom, try out your software. You can see what it looks like, what it feels like to be on video. And to communicate that way with other people. So you can do that. I'll have one tonight at about 9 o'clock until about 10. I'm doing one late, so if you're working, you can access it. Otherwise, I'll also have one probably on Wednesday and Thursday, tentatively. I'll let you know. But you'll have some other opportunities to come in and practice your Zoom skills. And then also another thing too is the VitalSource. VitalSource Bookshelf is a repository, I guess, of ebooks, mostly textbooks. But I got a message that all of the VitalSource Bookshelf books are free and available until I think it's the end of May. So if you want to go on there and find the textbook, an ebook, that might be very helpful to you. Everyone can access it whether you have a hard copy or not. It's called VitalSource Bookshelf. You can find that in Google and then log on to it with your SCTCC credentials, and you can find the book and other books too on there. Everything on their site is open for students. So go ahead and do that. And that's about all I have for now. I hope to see you tonight at the open house, the Zoom open house, otherwise another time. If you have any questions, let me know. You can text me or you can email me. Thank you. Bye-bye.